Hello again, this is part 2 of my AI backing track video. In the first one I generated a few loops and used the Mode Decoder to see how long it would take me to find the key and the mode and to play along. And now it's time for my second selection. So here I am back with GarageBand and my second AI generated track is in and looped and my guitar is plugged in as before. So because this track has a different mood, I'm going to use a clean sound with an atmospheric echo to it. So let's play and see how it works. I'm going to do the same as before and play along to this track as I did to the first track. And just like the last time, I'm looking out for that root note and then working out the rest from there. Yeah, so we're on F for the first fret or the 13th fret. So let's find out if that's a major or a minor. I'm putting F in the Ionian window, which is the natural major. Let's play an F major. Well, unlike last time, I think that is in the key F major. So let's try the next chord up, G minor. Yep, I think we're gonna have hit the mark with F major here. Let's try A minor. Yep, lovely. B flat major, which is this one. Now you can hear how all the chords fall in. To F major, lovely F major. Okay, so if we know it's F major, let's turn over and see where the chords are here. I think with this one I might play some solo and play some chords along as well, so you can see both. So here we have location 1 is D, which is the 10th fret, so let's go there. And let's go down to the second location, which is G, which is the 3rd fret. And then to the 5th fret, which is the A. You can hear, although it's the same minor pentatonic shape, the different locations have different sound to them. Okay, so I can tell that location 3 is here. And I know that from the front, that D minor is one of my chords, and D minor is also in location 3, so you can find all the chords that go nicely together from your locations. So from D minor we go down to C, as you can see it's in the next box down. Then we go down one more again, which is B flat, and back to our home chord. So between these we have a set of chords that can be played along. And you can combine that with your soloing. So I hope that was interesting and of some help, and I'll see you in the next video for the third track where we'll be doing exactly the same thing. So I'll see you then.